Most handyman businesses are still running like it's 2015, and that is exactly why they are losing time, leads, and money. Here's the truth no one tells you. In 2026, the fastest growing handyman services are not the most experienced, they are the most automated. In this video, you will learn the 9 best AI tools for handyman businesses in 2026 that can help you get more jobs, respond faster, estimate accurately, and manage your work without stress. And stick around, because in a minute, I'll show you the tool that can literally turn your phone into a 24/7 assistant. Let's start with the most important one. ChatGPT. Tut. Handymen are using it to reply to customer messages, write service descriptions, and create instant job quotes. Imagine John, a handyman in Chicago, getting a message at 10 p.m. and replying in seconds with a professional response without typing everything from scratch. Now here's where it gets interesting. The biggest problem in handyman work is estimating. You either undercharge or lose the job by overpricing. That is where tools like Joist and Housecall Pro with AI estimation features come in. They help you create fast, accurate quotes so you don't waste time guessing. But here's the problem. Even if you get leads, you still need to manage scheduling. This is where Jobber becomes powerful. It organizes your customers' bookings, invoices, and reminders in one simple dashboard, so you don't forget jobs or double book yourself. Now here's where most people fail. They rely on memory instead of systems. But AI tools fix that. For example, Zapier connects your lead forms, WhatsApp inquiries, and CRM automatically. So when Alex fills a contact form, it instantly becomes a job in your system without you touching anything. Let's talk about fieldwork. Apps like Google Lens and AI-powered visual tools help you identify materials, parts, and even repair steps on the go. This saves time when you are on site and don't want to guess what you are looking at. Now imagine this. You are taking photos of a broken pipe or wall damage, and AI tools like OpenSpace or similar visual documentation platforms organize everything into clean job reports. This helps you look more professional and win higher-paying clients. But wait, here's where it gets even better. Marketing is where most handyman businesses struggle. AI tools like Google Ads, Smart Campaigns, and Meta AI Ads Manager help you target local customers automatically without needing marketing skills. And finally, CRM tools like Housecall Pro or Serviceit bring everything together. Leads, jobs, payments, and communication, all in one place so you can scale without chaos. Now, connect the dots. AI helps you respond faster, quote smarter, schedule easier, and market automatically. That means less stress and more jobs completed in a day. So here is the takeaway. AI is not replacing handyman work. It is removing the busy work that keeps you stuck small. The handyman businesses that adopt these tools now will dominate their local market in the next few years. If you found this useful, like the video, comment which tool you want to try first, and subscribe for more practical business growth strategies that actually work in the real world.